In the vast expanse of the cosmos, where time and space stretched infinitely, there was a moment, a spark, that marked the dawn of a small yet significant corner of the universe. This was the first day of Earth, an inception that would grow to cradle life in forms vivid and varied. Imagine a swirling cloud of dust and gas adrift in the Milky Way billions of years ago. This nebula was a remnant of ancient stars that had lived their lives and exploded, scattering their enriched materials across the galaxy. Within this cosmic nursery, gravity began its patient work, drawing the particles together into a new solar system. At the heart of this system, the sun blazed into being, igniting from the pressure and heat of its inception. Around this newborn star, the disk of gas and dust began its dance, coalescing under the gentle yet inexorable pull of gravity. Among these swirling gases and forming clumps was a burgeoning sphere destined to become Earth. For eons, Earth was a chaotic assembly of colliding rock and melting metal. These fiery collisions, violent and relentless, slowly worked to clear the path in space that our planet would call its orbit. From this turmoil emerged a sphere, a hot, molten world cloaked in the vapors of its own creation. As the young Earth continued to cool, its surface began to solidify, forming a thin crust over the molten churning below. Volcanoes dotted the landscape, belching gases that would give the planet its primordial atmosphere, a poisonous brew dominated by hydrogen sulfide, methane, and a scarcity of oxygen. Amidst these early conditions, a titanic event occurred. A planetary body of considerable size, possibly the size of Mars, collided with this youthful Earth. This colossal impact sent billions of tons of debris into orbit around the planet, eventually coalescing to form the Moon. The influence of this satellite stabilized Earth's axial tilt, leading to the establishment of seasons and influencing tides, a subtle but vital rhythm in Earth's developmental symphony. As the planet spun beneath the blazing sun, chemical reactions brewed within its primordial seas, the beginnings of life's complex tapestry. It was a world of possibilities, rich with organic molecules stirred by solar energy and the occasional lightning storm, each providing the spark of life's potential. In this primordial soup, complex molecules began to emerge. Among them were the precursors to RNA and DNA, the threads that would one day weave the fabric of life. Over countless generations, simple cells formed and began to flourish, setting in motion an epic journey of evolution. This marked the dawn of what could be considered the first day of Earth, a day measured not by sunlight and shadows, but by the sheer potential within its rocky surface and turbulent skies. Life's fragile beginnings would grow to colonize every conceivable habitat, from the deepest oceanic trenches to the highest mountain peaks, painting the planet in hues of green and blue. Earth's inception was not a day in the human sense, but rather an epoch marked by transformation and creation. It was a time when the stage was set for everything that was to come, the rise of continents, the sculpting of land by ice and wind, and ultimately, the emergence of life that would gaze up and ponder its origins. This was Earth's first chapter, a testament to resilience and change, an enduring story written in the language of stardust and dreamt across the eons.